你好，看动画，背课文，学英语。今天我学习新概念英语第2册第44课 Through the Forest 穿过森林。文章开始前提出的问题是 How did Mrs. Sterling get her bag back? Sterling 夫人是如何拿回自己的包的？在开始学习之前，我先说明一下，我制作的动画视频是我记忆文章的辅助工具，起到理解和记忆文章的作用。如果你也喜欢，欢迎订阅我的频道，谢谢。文章开头第一句先设了一个伏笔，发感慨的同时也抛出问题。主人公 Anne Sterling 夫人在穿过森林追赶2个男人时，她并没有考虑到所冒的风险。Mrs. Anne Sterling did not think of the risk she was taking when she ran through a forest after 2 men. Sterling 夫人也真是，怎么说呢？说她胆大也行，说她没心没肺也可以，这的确是不小的风险。那么问题是，她为什么要追赶这2个男人呢？紧接着文章就说明了原因。他正在和孩子们在森林边上野餐，这里用 BBQ 烧烤。2个男人已经冲到他面前，企图偷走他的手提包。They had rushed up to her while she was having a picnic at the edge of the forest with her children and tried to steal her handbag. 没图成，2个笨贼就干脆改为抢。在抢夺的过程中，提包的背带扯断了，包也落在2个男人的手里。得手后，2人撒丫子就跑进了森林。In the struggle, the strap broke and, with the bag in their possession, both men started running through the trees. Sterling 夫人气坏了，好啊，臭小子们，敢抢老娘的包，你们要上天吗？等我逮到你们，我保证打不死你们。一溜烟也追了过去。Mrs. Sterling got so angry that she ran after them. 但是心态是强壮的，身体却是孱弱的，一小会儿就上气不接下气。但她仍在自己精神力的支持下紧追不舍。She was soon out of breath, but she continued to run. 锲而不舍的人呢，老天会眷顾你的，加油！重要的是，2个男人也没再跑。原来当 Sterling 夫人赶上他们的时候，2人已经坐了下来，翻着包查看自己的工作成果呢。Sterling 夫人直接就冲了过去。When she caught up with them, she saw that they had sat down and were going through the contents of the bag, so she ran straight at them. 发疯的女人是很可怕的，这个女人面对2个男人都敢追，而且追着冲了过来，太吓人了。惹不起惹不起，2人确实是吓了一跳，扔下提包就逃跑了。The men got such a fright that they dropped the bag and ran away. Sterling 夫人这个疯狂的女人取得最后的胜利，事后自己还嘟囔着，这个提包的带子需要修理，还好，他们什么也没偷走。The strap needs mending, said Mrs. Sterling later, but they did not steal anything. 主人公 Sterling 夫人包被偷 steal， 提取首字母2个 s， 取谐音4，表示44课。好，以上就是我今天学习的第44课。我们下期见，拜拜。